Hey everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to make a dog puppet with your own two hands. This is quite difficult, so if you haven't watched my videos on how to make a frog puppet and how to make a snake puppet, watch those first, as those are a little easier, and then try this dog puppet. Alright, so today I'm going to show you how to make this dog puppet. Alright, so let's get started. So first, you take one hand, you take a ring finger, and you point it down, okay? And then you take your middle finger, and you sit it right on top of that ring finger, all right? You're gonna take the other hand and do the exact same thing. Take your ring finger, point it down, all right? And then take your middle finger and sit it on top of that ring finger, all right? You're gonna have to contort your fingers in funny ways, so this will be a little hard, all right? Then take your pinky of one hand and stick it through the eye hole of the other hand. One more time. You got your pinky back here, and you're gonna slip it through the eye hole that you've made with the other hand. All right? And then you still have a free pinky on the other hand. Slip it through the eye hole of the opposite hand. So now you have the eyes and the nose of your dog. Okay? And then the last step is you're gonna take your thumbs, bring them together, and then you have your dog puppet. You can have his ears be straight, like this, or you can have his ears be curled like this. All right? That is completely up to you. So, here you have it. This is how you make a dog puppet with your own two hands. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to hit subscribe for more fun videos in the future.